Does your modern office need a modern display? I'm James Hilliard with Connection, and HP's new EliteDisplay E243p brings you style and security. Let's unbox it. All right, we have our main components now, the display, the stand, power cord, and some of the connectors. Very easy to get this stood up. We have 3 prongs, snaps in, and you are ready to go. So now that we have the display plugged on in, I want to point out some of the features here. First off, see this really thin bezel here. Now imagine 2 of these devices side by side, seamlessly moving your documents back and forth. Really nice user experience there. Want to talk about security. There's a built-in privacy screen. It's called HP SureView. As I move the screen here from an angle, I can see the content as you can as well. But what if I have some private data on here I don't want anyone in an open office environment to see? Well, simple click of the button right here. And now from those angles, from over your shoulder, people can't see that. So it combats the idea of visual hacking. So a very nice feature that's been built in to the display here. As you notice, really easy to manipulate this screen. If you want to tilt it up for a better view, you can do so. If you want to raise it up, say you're gonna do the stand-up work for a little while, you can raise that up as well. You wanna go into portrait mode, very simple to do that also. When we look at some of the inputs, there are several here. 1, 2 USB, those are on the side. On the back to connect to the monitor, well, we have some modern ways. We have the display port and we have HDMI. If you're connecting to an older machine that uses VGA, well, you can do that as well. So there it is, that is the HP EliteDisplay. It's the E243p. If you'd like more information, we invite you to head to connection.com/HP.